rain or snowfall. Where you have heavy snowfall or heavy rain, you have sloping roofs and you can't build domes. So, architecture has no religion. This is utter nonsense spread by the British. There is nothing called Islamic architecture. The arch was created by the Sumerians. The Romans took it from the Sumerians. From there it evolved into the dome. Muslims got the dome third hand. First the Jews, then the Christians, then the Muslims. The first mosque that the Prophet made had no domes, no arches, no minarets. You see? ये अंग्रेजों ने build किया है. Hindu architecture and Islamic architecture. Have you heard of Christian architecture? No. Gothic है, Christian नहीं है.
Victorian, there is Gothic.
There is Gothic, there is Victorian, there is Baroque, there is Renaissance, there is Hispanic, there is Portuguese, there is Slavic, there is Prussian, but no Christian. England में Scottish, Irish, Welsh and English architecture, no Christian architecture. हमारे मुल्क में सिर्फ हिंदू आर्किटेक्चर, चोला आर्किटेक्चर नहीं है, चेरा नहीं है, विजयनगर का आर्किटेक्चर नहीं है, अहमदनगर का आर्किटेक्चर नहीं है, गुजराती आर्किटेक्चर नहीं है, बंगाली आर्किटेक्चर नहीं है, सब हिंदू है. और मोरक्को से लाहौर तक सिर्फ इस्लामिक है. इराकी आर्किटेक्चर नहीं है, ईरानियन आर्किटेक्चर नहीं है, लिबियन आर्किटेक्चर नहीं है, अरब आर्किटेक्चर नहीं है. यू सी व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन. दैट इज द गेम. Because they present you with the idea that the people that they had colonized cannot have secular ideas. Secular ideas are only born in Europe. So they talk of the Renaissance mind. हमारे यहाँ क्या है? हिंदू माइंड, मुस्लिम माइंड. See the game. That is what it is. So this division of architecture in terms of religion is part of that conspiracy. जिसको हम आसानी से कहते हैं जी divide and rule कर दिया. That's how they divide. They have divided our architecture, history of architecture into Hindu and Muslim. अब ये बिल्डिंग अनफॉर्चुनेटली इसकी हालत ऐसी है कि मैं आपको दिखा नहीं सकता, पर ये जो कॉर्निस है, ये जो कॉर्निस टूटी हुई है, इसके नीचे जो ब्रैकेट है, ये टेम्पल आर्किटेक्चर है. वो जो पिलर्स हैं वो टेम्पल आर्किटेक्चर. बट द मोटिव इज अरेबिक. But what is happening? The masons are all local. They build using their technique. और उसके ऊपर जो एम्बेलिशमेंट है वो सेंटर है. और उसके ऊपर आप ध्यान से देखिए, वो जो कार्विंग है उसके बीच में लोटस है, मंडला है, उसके बीच में लोटस है, बिकॉज ये हमारे मेसन्स कर रहे हैं. So this idea that this is Hindu architecture and that is Muslim architecture is all nonsense. Architecture, and especially the architecture that has evolved in India from the 13th, 14th century till the 17th century, is a mixture of the Indian indigenous traditions and Central Asian traditions. उन दोनों के मिलने से जो नया डेवलप हुआ है, जिसे हम मुगल आर्किटेक्चर, इट्स ए मिक्सचर. हाँ, this is Indo-Persian, but what do they call it?
Indo-Islamic.
Indo-Islamic. Now I am saying there is no Islamic architecture. There is an Iranian architecture. There is Afghan architecture. There is Turkish architecture. And Turkish architecture is very different from Iranian architecture, though both of them are Muslims. And Muslims in China build totally different architecture. Architecture is what is finally what is architecture? It is our response to our environment. Architecture is determined by the climate in which we live. What is the material that we have for building? What is the technology of construction? These things decide what we will see. इसका रिलीजन से कोई लेना देना नहीं. कश्मीर में चले जाइए, सारे मंदिर और सारे गुरुद्वारे और सारे ये जो हैं बुद्धिस्ट मोनास्ट्री और मॉस्क सबकी एक जैसी जगह. बिकॉज कश्मीर में एक ही जैसा मौसम. यू आर रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू योर क्लाइमेट. somebody is dropped their bookmark. Yeah, come. Let's go.